What is going on, truckers? What is going on to all my YouTubers? Today is Monday. Oh, it's not Monday today, Thursday. And actually you see where I'm at right now. I'm about to go wash my truck. All those trucks, they are here. All those trucks, they are here to get a wash. But this place, when you come here, mostly they're always packed, and it's always a long line all the way to the street. So this is why I come early this morning to see if I can have like a wash for my truck. It's not that dirty, but yeah, it is dirty. I have a white truck, so I gotta keep it clean all the time. Keep your equipment clean, keep them in good shape and good work condition, and this is what's gonna make you be successful in this business. If you see that you need the tires, you're gonna need the tires soon. Get prepared for it. Do not wait until the tire blow out on you. Get it fixed. Yeah, let's go to the truck wash. I think it's only 2 of them here. There's one here and one on, and there's another one down to on 285. There's another one on 285. 285. Yeah, on 285 on exit 12, and yeah. Gonna stay here and chill a little bit. Look at those guys doing their things. They doing their things, guys. They doing their thing. They clean out this trailer. Look clean. That's what we do. You see this truck, it's pretty clean, but the driver still want it to be washed. Look at that. Clean up. It's the same way you're taking care of yourself, you're taking care of your house. You need to take good care of your equipment. Watch out. Yep. Wait. Let the baby wash up. Guys. And this bitch. What? As you can see, guys, we just washed the baby. Let's go ahead and take a look to see how it looks like after we wash it. I'm going to JB yard, and so if we can clean the inside. Ooh, wait. I just realized that it need to get fixed. Clean. To the back. Got some grease here that I need to get rid of. Because we just took a baby wash. I wanted to have a basic wash. See this? Keep it clean. Keep it nice. Keep it decent. Let's go to the JB yard to clean up, do a clean up in the inside.